bother me, Frank. My assistant and I are getting ready to flip these puppies.
Is there any way you can sit down?
Sit down? Oh.
You're so big.
Say hello, assistant.
Hello.
What's your name?
Isiah.
What's your name?
Skylar.
I'm Grandpa. Okay,
Grandpa, what is that?
thank you. Did you get burned?
Barely. Kinda hurt. Grandpa. Don't do. Hi, Dad.
Hey, baby.
I love you.
Love you too.
Well, that looks pretty good. What are you doing?
Doing the splits.
Looks like fun.
Which one's mine?
Anyone. Anyone you want.
The one with 3.
Yeah, hand him the one with 3 because I'm making more. This puppy?
This is extra. Extra. Store, current shop, store, and fork, there's an extra.
Would you like a...
Okay.
Would you like... I can do it because it is heavy.
Skylar, what do you think of those famous pumpkin pancakes?
They're so good.
Isiah, what do you think of those pancakes?
Good.
Thank you. Tasty. Yeah, yummy.
Yeah, yummy.
These are the best pancakes I've had
All year.
all day.
They're the best pancakes I've had all year.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just that little bit of... Gotcha. Ooh. Oh, come on over. Get over here. Thanks, dude.